Are you looking for the best PS5 controllers? In this video we will look at some of the best PS5 controllers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1, GameSir G8 Galileo PS4 PS5 Controller. Elevate your mobile gaming experience with the GameSir G8 Galileo's console-sized sticks and buttons, providing unmatched comfort during extended gameplay. It's like having a console controller in the palm of your hand, offering unparalleled control for every game you play. Whether you're navigating treacherous terrain or taking precise shots, the G8 Galileo ensures you perform with expert precision and maximum comfort. The GameSir G8 Galileo is purposefully designed for universal compatibility, featuring an extendable bridge and sufficient rear space to be compatible with a wide range of phone models. It's the perfect choice for mobile gamers seeking adaptability, ensuring a seamless gaming experience on the iPhone 15 series and Android. GameSir Hall Effect Sensing Sticks deliver 360 degrees seamless pinpoint control, provide the precision and durability that mobile gamers demand. You can get an enhanced gaming experience in different games. The anti-friction glide rings provide super smooth stick control, reducing stick grinding and extending usage time. GameSir precision-tuned Hall Effect analog triggers offer unparalleled smoothness and responsiveness, giving you a competitive advantage in any game. For FPS and action gamers, there's even a quick switch to hair trigger mode by holding M+LT/RT buttons. Whether you need precise linear control or ultimate responsiveness, G8 controller gives you the competitive edge as you need. Number 2, QRD Spark N5 Wireless Controller. Our controller is designed for seamless compatibility with a wide range of devices, including PS4, PS3, PS2, PC, and mobile platforms. It offers full compatibility with all PS4 games when used with a PS5, ensuring you can enjoy all controller functions. But you can't play PS5 games with it on PS5, it's not a controller specifically for PS5. The QRD Spark N5 compatible with PS5/PS4/PS3/PC on both wired and wireless modes and mobile in wireless mode. The controller utilizes Hall Effect joysticks and triggers technology, ensuring precise control and responsiveness for a more accurate gaming experience. The QRD Spark N5 offers 8 single-color breathing light modes and automatic color-changing breathing light modes. The controller's ergonomic design has been carefully crafted to ensure a comfortable grip that aligns with ergonomic principles, allowing for extended gaming sessions without fatigue. High-capacity 1200 mAh battery, offering extended playtime and ensuring you stay in the action for longer. The QRD Spark N5 boasts 2 unique macro back paddles for executing complex command sequences with ease. With a built-in speaker and stereo headphone jack, the Spark N5 provides an immersive sound experience for gamers using wireless controllers. Number 3, RISE4 Remap Kit Back Button Housing for PS5 Controller. This SF2000 handheld game machine has more than 6,000 selected retro games, support for downloading and collection of games, support for 7 kinds of emulators FC/SFC/MD/GB/GBC/GBA/MAME. Small and lightweight design is very convenient to carry out. High-quality hard-shell replacement, suitable for PS5 console. Very easy to install and disassemble. Very suitable for PS5 console without affecting any functions. The unique design allows easy access to all buttons. This product is specifically for the original PS5 controller with dual back clip buttons. After installation will upgrade the PS5 controller to an elite-level controller, which not only enhances the gamer's gaming experience, but also makes the controller look more advanced. Number 4, eXtremeRate RISE4 Remap Kit for PS5 Controller. The eXtremeRate real metal buttons, RMB, version RISE4 Remap Kit for PS5 is an evolutionary upgrade kit that adds advanced gaming functionality to your existing controller. The real metal buttons, RMB, version RISE4 Remap Kit includes a remap board, one FPC for BDMO30 BDMO40 and an upgrade back shell with 4 additional metal ergonomic buttons attached. The metal back paddles are made of high-quality metal material, more durable and practical. The K1, K2, K3, K4 buttons need more pressure to activate, to avoid misclicking for some gamers. Rubberized handle grips can enhance hand feeling and get a better grip to your controller. With this kit, you can easily turn your existing controller for PS5 into a professional esport gamepad with an additional 4 programmable remap buttons. This remap upgrade solution gives you a competitive edge in online gaming and tournaments, and totally legal. Number 5. 50 PCS for $80.07 PS5 Controller. Prevents any damage to PS5 controller from shocks, scratches. Silicone friction provides comfortable gripping, prevents slipping while game playing. No more worries for sweaty hands. Very easy to install and remove. Fits PS5 controller perfectly. Would not affect any function. Water transfer printing technology camouflage on PS5 controller. More fashion looking,